So good day. So it's already 5 in the afternoon and I chose to walk by this place so that it's not that hot anymore compared to the earlier hours of the afternoon a while ago. It was so hot at that time. So currently we're gonna pass by here because there's still heat of the sun even though it's already 5 in the afternoon because the heat of the sun is until 6 in the evening during the summer times here. So this is a bougainvillea flowers. Then bougainvillea flowers means that connection. Then connection means related and relevance. So at least in this place, it's not that hot like the lower hills here compared to the upper hills. It's okay, let's walk around. Then also the symbolism of grasses is roots. The roots like the origin of something or where it came from. Then there's also these kalachuchi flowers here that it is flowers for the dead, but at evening or at night time, they're very fragrant. That it can be also used for perfume on the skin and also the clothes. Here's seventh mystery. That is the seventh mystery of Jesus Christ. So currently, opinions of most people of this place is peaceful. So we are passing by this spot again. That is a nice spot that is a bit like Tagalog or Bisaya bangin, or in English that is a cliff like this one. So at least I'm wearing shoes that will stick to the stones of this place. So I went here after eating some snacks so at least to burn the calories. So okay, shoes are sticking in this place. Look at this. Like it's like burning some trashes during the Holy Week because there's a lot of people for religious for Station of the Cross. So that time there's a lot of people here and the heat of the sun was much stronger during the Holy Week. Like it doesn't have a connection to science that why it was so strong during the Holy Week. But in superstition, what the elderly people say that why the uh, why elderly people say that uh, the world is hotter during the Holy Week because it's like a penance for the people on earth that Jesus Christ died for the sins. Yeah, look at that smoke. So okay, the benefits of smoke is I'll tell you, like it can ward off mosquitoes. Then also it's also food for the trees. So the smoke is also beneficial. But for humans that have illnesses like lung and heart illnesses, like lung for the lungs and heart illness of humans, they're not allowed to consume the smoke. It's okay. So let's walk around. Yeah, look at that smoke. So at least there's more food for the plants there, for the smoke for them, and to also to ward off mosquitoes. Look at this. The sixth mystery of Jesus. So I'm currently liking Banawa more already right now nowadays because there's just an internet station that in case even though you have internet connection at your house, like you want to experience the early 2000s or the mid 2010s times that most people are hanging out in internet cafes. So most of the internet stations in Banawa, Cebu City is just 10 pesos per hour for their internet cafe stations. Because I spent 1 hour in that internet cafe, so just for experience and to cool off before going here in this place in Banawa, Cebu City. So I had my hair cut because it was so hot. So at least to manage the hair, so at least it won't be that hard or brittle because of the heat of the sun, like the strong temperatures nowadays. Like the whole hair will be not that soft if there's too much heat. So at least it can be manageable by conditioner. Shit. Putang iro. Malapit tayo maslide doon. Kahit mapilit yung sapatos natin or our shoes can stick on the uh, rocks or sands here. Just shit. Sorry, nagbubura ako. Sorry, kung may makarinig dito na spirits, sorry na. Pasensya po. Malapit na pala mag since 5 p.m. plus na ngayon kaya pala nangyari yon. Dahil the rest okay, nagsasalita ako nun. Pero mga 1 to 2 p.m. na time yun at walang ganito na nangyari. Sorry. Please accept my apology. Sorry talaga. Nagmura ako or sa Bisaya na malikas ako. Sorry. Okay, be careful at this part. Baka maslide tayo. Pero pasalamat pa rin tayo sa Panginoon dahil hindi tayo na-slide. At lang na control natin pero nakapamura tayo. Sorry talaga doon. Okay. Malapit na tayo maka-reach sa much more beautiful part sa Celestial Garden. Yung pinakamaganda na garden nila. Part. And it's almost 6 in the evening. Kaya bilisan na natin ng kaunti. Dahil wala tayong flashlight na dala na siya. Maliwanag siya masyado na flashlight niya. Masyado siyang malakas ang ilaw. At walang poste dito sa Good Shepherd. So, sa gabi, siya, madilim. Parang weird yung part na yun. Malapit tayo na slide kaya di tayo nagsasalita. Di pareha yung compare yung nagsasalita tayo ay parang siya, multitasking. Pero hindi na sa slide ng mga panahon na iyon. Pero at least na tayo. Nakahingi na tayo ng pasensya. So karon Bisayan on na to. Ibisaya to. Sorry namalikas taga dito. So whatever spirits that can hear this is at least in case that they are existing like what people say, uh, like it's almost not their time, 6 in the evening. So at least marinig nila yun. Sorry, nagmura ako kanina. Then peaceful to na place. Dapat siya, i-respect talaga. Pero siya, sasabi ko rin apology accepted dahil hindi din tayo na slide kanina eh. Yung isang part hapit sa na slide kanina. Like almost got slide to it. Okay, we're in the most beautiful part of Celestial Garden now. Okay, I'm gonna cut this video now here.